Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Altima cabin air filter. This easy method will help you improve your car's air quality in just a few minutes. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a new cabin air filter, a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool, and good lighting. Having these items ready makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's access the cabin air filter housing. Open your glove box all the way. On the right side, you will find a small dampener arm. Gently detach it. Next, press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the two stops. This allows the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the rectangular filter housing cover behind it. With the housing exposed, it's time to replace the filter. Unclip the two tabs on the housing cover and remove it. Gently pull out the old cabin air filter. Notice the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial. Insert your new filter, making sure its airflow arrow points in the same direction, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. This ensures proper air circulation. To finish, simply reverse the steps. Reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap securely into place. Lift the glove box, pushing in slightly on the sides to re-engage the stops. Finally, reconnect the dampener arm on the right side. You have successfully changed your cabin air filter, a simple task that significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and HVAC system efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.